Most 37-foot center consoles force a trade-off between offshore fishing capability and everyday comfort. The Scout 377 LXF was built to erase that trade-off entirely. Built by Scout Boats in Summerville, South Carolina, a family-owned yard that designates its flagship platform S-Class. Carbon epoxy construction and the dual Scout stepped hull deliver a lighter, stiffer running surface. Power comes from twin Mercury 600 outboards, or the triple Mercury V10 400 configuration, topping out at 1,350 horsepower. Fuel capacity runs 363 gallons, with a SeaKeeper gyro standard on both packages. Full speed and range data is available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 37 feet 7 inches overall, 11 feet 5 inches of beam, 26 inches of draft on a 19.5 degree dead rise, forward cabin, open cockpit, and a double sun deck lounge aft. Standout details set the 377 LXF apart. A lithium-ion battery system with full battery management replaces the old lead-acid bank. A portside swing-in boarding door with a fold-down ladder makes beach access simple. Aft, a double sun deck lounge hides storage underneath, and the whole platform rides on the dual Scout stepped hull, tuned for a smoother, more efficient run at any load. Below, the enclosed head carries a porcelain vessel sink, a Corian vanity, and electric overboard discharge. Cabin and helm both run air conditioning and heat off a 120-volt system, with a 30-gallon cockpit bait well for the days offshore. Bottom line, the 377 LXF is the S-Class benchmark for anglers who will not trade comfort for capability. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.